Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be telling you about this hacker and scammer. So basically I said, do you want to sub accounts for a bit? And she said, okay, you go first. So I was like, why don't you say that at the same time? She's blocked me so I can't see the messages. And she's like, no, you go first. I was like, okay, I'll give you my account, level 10 account, and I'm glad I did, because she would have hacked this one. And this is my main, and listen. So she was like, I gave her the password and everything, and then I gave her the password and the username, because she didn't know what it was. And this is the user that she hacked. And I want you to be careful. She hasn't blocked me on this. This was my account, and she made it look like a freaking, I don't know. But yeah, she said that she was gonna give me. I've made like a hate account. Somehow game official. It's Sunny. Sunny. Because there's capitals and hers. And I reported her on that account she took off me. Oops. I put double I instead of double F. Look, that's her. And I put, is a hack. Because it didn't let me say hacker and a scammer. So yeah, can you not spam her? Facebook. And look, she's blocked me. Look, spaz as well. Those lips and those eyes. I look like a real idiot. So, yes, be careful of her. I don't know if she has any other accounts now. But I spammed her Facebook and then she deleted it all. And then she spammed mine, even though I gave her the password and didn't even do anything. So, yes. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next.